Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start now, hold the case with your dominant hand and position your thumb near the lid hinge. Once stable, tilt the case about 30 degrees so gravity assists the opening. Push the lid back with a steady, even motion to avoid snapping hinges. This reduces stress and prevents dirt ingress. Make sure the Airpods aren't stuck by feeling for slight resistance, and if you sense binding, stop and realign your grip before continuing. Once open, support the base of the case with one hand and use the other to extract a bud by applying gentle outward pressure on its stem. Pull at the top edge of the Airpod, never yank from silicone tips, because gradual leverage prevents damage to the charging contacts. Work one bud at a time, rotating slightly as you lift. This frees any suction or dirt. Make sure your movements are deliberate and slow, because quick tugs can bend contacts or dislodge internal components. Once both Airpods are free, seat them back briefly to check alignment, then close the lid gently until you hear the click indicating it's secure. Afterward, open Bluetooth settings and confirm each bud pairs and shows charging status. This verifies contacts are clean and connection intact. If a bud is stuck while removing, stop. Warm the case with your hand or a 10 to 20 second breath of warm air. Then realign and try.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.